Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Redragon GALATIN Pro, also known as the K719. It's a 96% wireless keyboard featuring an LCD screen and volume knob priced around $60. It's only available in this white and mint colorway with the Redragon Mint Mambo switch. Included in the box is a set of Redragon stickers, the user manual for the keyboard, a Type-A to Type-C right angle cable, a 2-in-1 switch and keycap puller, 4 extra switches, and the keyboard, which is mostly plastic, weighing just under 900 grams or 2 pounds. So the keyboard has a 96% exploded layout with 4 indicator lights above the arrow keys, and the volume knob with a small screen on the top right. The screen displays the date, time, battery percentage, and connection modes. It also includes settings for the homepage, RGB lighting, language, and layout, all accessible using the knob. Plus, the homepage comes preloaded with a GIF which is customizable using the software. Here are a few GIFs I've tried and they look pretty good in my opinion. The right side looks like this with the knob, and it has a slot for the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver here. On the left side, there's the Redragon logo, the Type-C port, and the trimode toggle switch. The typing angle can also be adjusted with the feet on the bottom. Speaking of the bottom, there is 4 rubber feet and the 10 screws holding the case together here. Besides that, the keyboard comes with these white and mint double-shot PBT keycaps with a rounded OEM profile, Redragon Mint Mambo linear switches that are pre-looped and have a creamy sound, pre-loop plate-mounted stabilizers which have minimal rattle and some added foam dampeners at the spacebar, a gasket-mounted flex-cut polycarbonate plate for a soft typing feel, a 5-pin hot-swap north-facing PCB, and per-key RGB with 19 preloaded vibrant effects to choose from. As for the software, the keyboard comes with its own K719 Pro driver. Here you can see the battery percentage, set different profiles, configure the RGB lighting effects, brightness, speed, and color, remap all of the keys, create and import macros, change the settings for the keyboard, and upload custom GIFs and images from your computer to the small LCD screen here. Diving into the mods and components inside, you access them by opening up the case, which is held together with the 10 screws on the bottom. With the screws removed, the top case can be lifted and the cable for the screen can be disconnected. So in the bottom case, there's the 4000 mAh battery on the right, the daughterboard with the trimode switch and Type-C port on the left, and these mounts on the sides for the gaskets to sit onto. Moving on to the mods included, there's a piece of foam and a thick piece of silicone in the bottom case to make it sound fuller, and a PET sound pad, an IXPE switch pad, and a PO plate foam in between the plate and PCB to dampen the typing noise. So with everything about the keyboard covered, here is the typing sound test. Please enjoy. Okay, here are my final thoughts on the Redragon GALATIN Pro. After using and reviewing the keyboard, I think it's pretty good. It comes fully packed with features and mods and looks quite nice in this white and mint color too. The screen and volume knob are nice additions as well, adding extra functionality without taking up extra space. The only downsides for me are the slightly empty layout around the screen and knob and the placement for the Type-C port on the left. But these are just small things that I noticed and they won't be a big deal for most users. So if you're looking for a decent 96% keyboard that has a screen and knob, the Redragon GALATIN Pro is an excellent choice. And if you're interested, everything will be linked in the description below for you, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Redragon for the keyboard and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.